What's up, guys? Ken with Del Rides. This is the Del Sol. We're going to take it to a car meet tonight, so we're going to get the inside at least detailed and cleaned up. There's nothing we can do about that clear coat and the paint fade right now, but let me show y'all how we're going to get this thing cleaned up. Alright guys, so this is after just vacuuming with the new Rigid. I think it's a 12-gallon, 5 horsepower shop vac that I got from Home Depot. So the next thing we're going to do, sorry about the wind noise and background noise, I am outside, is we're going to use the brush on a low setting just to agitate the carpet to loosen up some more dirt. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, so you can tell a huge difference. I mean, there's still some stuff down there, but this is not a detailing video. I'm not even detailing the car, I'm just cleaning it up because as you can tell, that carpet is trash. I've got some stuff being returned to Rock Auto, and I'm gonna buy a carpet, but I mean, you can just see the dust and the filth everywhere. So, we're gonna flip this camera around for a second. Whoa, fat guy in a little car. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna get this car detailed up a little bit more. Not a true on detail, just a good overall general purpose maintenance cleaning type deal. So let's get that done and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, ignore that little rust spot right there. Body work is gonna get done to this. But all in all, it's a lot cleaner than what it was. So now we're going to take it to the car wash. We're going to wash it and we'll be done. Alright y'all, so we got the Del Sol done. Now when we washed it, a little bit of paint came off from there and up top on the roof. But all in all, it looks a lot better with the seat covers. The dash is cleaned out. All that dust and dirt is gone. Like I said, we got some paint to do up on the front. I'm working on fixing the blinker right now as we speak. And then we've got the back side, driver's side, and man, I really wish Rock Auto would get that carpet kit to me so I can fix that. But in the meantime, we'll do a little bit of YouTube magic to fix it. Alright guys, Ken with Del Rides. Whoop. That's the little Del Sol. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Remember, ride them like you stole them.